In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x8024402C. First thing you're going to do is go to the search bar, type in Control Panel, go here and type in Troubleshoot. So just type in Trouble, and here you'll see Troubleshooting. Click on Find and Fix Problems, and here click Other Troubleshooters. And here Windows Update, click Run. Now wait for this to run, and once it's done, here you'll see some solutions and recommended options that you can take. So you can just close this down now and then close this down. So here you want to go and type in CMD and right click, Run as Administrator, click Yes, and here you will type in ipconfig /FLUSHDNS, and then press enter, and this will basically just flush the DNS, and then wait for it. Once this is done, you can now write the second command. So NETSH space winsock reset, then go ahead and press enter and let it load. So next you want to write in this command sfc space /scan now, and then press enter and let it load. So after you run all these commands and let them load, you can just finish and close this down. Go here, restart your computer, and hopefully this should fix your issue.